عقدة أصبع. And if you just shorten it, it is recommended that you do it evenly at the bottom of the hair. And you know what? If you do not want to do it in the midst of the crowd, wait until you get to your hotel. You don't have to do it right on that. You don't have to. Just go there, and the women can help each other, and they can really help shorten. And it is not right for people to say, but one woman cannot do it unless they find someone who is not in a state of ihram. If there are women together who do not know anyone else, then one woman can shorten for the other, and that woman can help the others, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Now for men, again, there are many places, barber shops at the bottom of the clock tower, and there are many of them. So you just go there and you ask them to shave or to shorten your hair. It is better to shave because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, send his blessings on those who shave 3 times before he said that blessings be on those who shorten their hair. So you did that. Now you finished Umrah, you take a shower, you change those rida and izar, and you put your regular clothes, and now you can just spend time in Al-Masjid Al-Haram praying. You can make dhikr, you can, but I recommend that you do not now just engage in life as usual. You go shopping and think, remember, you are in a state where you want to draw as much reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as, remember, one salat at Al-Masjid Al-Haram is equivalent to, listen to this, 100,000 salat in any other masjid. 100,000. So why do you want to pray in your hotel room when you can pray at Al-Masjid Al-Haram and you collect 100,000? Some people ask me, what if my hotel has a front which is continuous with the lines that I can see in the courtyard of Al-Masjid Al-Haram, and I can pray behind the Imam of Al-Masjid Al-Haram? We say that this is fine. It is still a continuation as long as you don't start doing it because you don't like crowds. You do not want to mix with the crowds. This is not right. You pray there if there is a reason for that. Now, we finished Umrah, and now on the 8th of the Hijjah, we are told our group is moving to Mina. That is the day called Day of At-Tarwiyah. Gathering water, preparing ourselves. That's in the old days. But it's still called Yawm At-Tarwiyah. And it is a day where we prepare ourselves for Arafat. So we go there and we pray Dhuhr, we pray Asr, we pray Maghrib, we pray Isha, and we pray Fajr. But we pray them shortened. But obviously we do not shorten Fajr or we do not shorten Maghrib Salat. And then after we do that, we ask, but our group did not take us to Mina right at Zuhr, or it's okay. If it can be done, that is fine. If we leave to Arafat before the Fajr of the 9th of the Hijjah because of the crowds, that is fine. Don't worry about it. These are not arkan. Now we arrive at Arafat. Remember that the day of Arafat does not start in the morning of the 9th. When you arrive in Arafat in the morning, you are going to rest. You are going to prepare yourself for the Waqfat Arafat, which starts after Dhuhr and Asr and the khutbah of the Imam. That is after that, that's when Arafat starts. Now, the Imam gives, a khutbah, and there is a Dhuhr and Asr Salat prayed together. And then after that, we start freestyle worship. What do you mean by freestyle worship? Look at this. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-Hajju Arafah. And this is where in Arafah we are not told how many rak'at to pray, what surahs to read, what's the format. You can do anything. Dua, zikr, salat, reading Quran, until sunset.